Do you need to have domain knowledge to be a successful BA? That's one of the most popular questions that I receive, and the answer is hugely dependent on your specific situation and the job you're in. Hi, I'm Sergey Shimansky, and in this video we'll talk about domain knowledge for business analysts, and here I'll share very practical thoughts, examples, and recommendations. Let's dive right in. So first of all, what is domain knowledge? Usually as BAs, we talk about two types of domain knowledge: business domain or industry knowledge, and solution domain or technical knowledge. Examples of business domains include telecommunications, banking, insurance, automotive, healthcare, and so on. On the other hand, solution domains include various types of digital solutions such as e-commerce, content management, CRM, ERP, social media, and so on. And these two domain types can peacefully coexist. For example, we can talk about CRM solutions in banking, ERP solutions in automotive industry, or e-commerce in telecommunications. Now, the answer to the question of whether BA needs to have a domain knowledge will really depend on the type of job the BA does. And for this, let's look at the following BA roles: in-house BAs, BA-Generalists, and BA consultants. In-house BAs work for non-IT, non-software development companies, usually as part of the IT department. Let's say it's a beverages company that produces drinks, or it's an automotive company that manufactures cars, and an in-house BA is directly employed by this non-IT company. If you're an in-house BA, you definitely need to have a very decent knowledge of the business domain and the industry that you're in. When you're starting a new job as an in-house BA, you should absolutely nail down existing as-is processes, workflows, and IT systems that support these processes. In a way, you need to become an internal subject matter expert or SME that knows all the ins and outs of the business that you're in. Besides the processes, you need to know real business use cases that real people deal with. These people include both internal business users, like in an accounting or marketing department, and external customers of your company. All this knowledge is a must for an in-house BA. For example, Peter works as an application support analyst at a healthcare organization. His company produces pharmacy management software that many pharmacy chains use. Peter's job is to analyze incoming requests from end users and make recommendations for the development of new features in this pharmacy management software. Because it's a highly complex and very regulated environment, knowledge of pharmacy management, drug safety protocols, typical user roles and use cases is an absolute must for Peter. His company has an internal 4-week training program for all newcomers, and besides that, Peter always stays in the loop for all the new trends in drug safety regulations and pharmacy management, including new software and hardware available on the market. This is absolutely critical for Peter to be successful in his job. Now let's look at BA-Generalists. A BA-Generalist usually works for an IT consulting or software development company. This is an IT company that builds software for external clients, and those clients can be from various industries like insurance, automotive, healthcare, manufacturing, and so on. The BA-Generalist is directly hired by this IT company, and while employed there, might work on projects for various industries like projects for insurance companies, healthcare projects, or building software for logistics companies. The main point here is that one day you're assigned to one project from one industry, then another day it's another industry, and then something else and something else. That shapes the main characteristic of a BA generalist. You're supposed to have great hard and soft BA skills and be able to quickly jump in a new domain. That ability to quickly get familiar with new terminology, processes, workflows, and local regulations is critical to the success of a BA generalist. So, if you're a BA generalist, knowledge of business domains is a very nice to have skill, but usually it's not mandatory. However, BA generalists may have specializations because they may work, let's say, on a series of projects for insurance companies, so they themselves may become subject matter experts in insurance, and this may increase the chance of them being assigned to more complex insurance projects in the future or become an internal trainer or consultant for other BAs in their organization. Along with industry knowledge, Some organizations may have expectations for BAs to have knowledge of specific solution domains like CRM or e-commerce or even specific tools like Microsoft Dynamics or SAP Commerce, but usually these requirements are nice to have. Let's look at another example here. Dima works as a BA team leader for an IT consulting agency. There are many departments in his company, and the one that he works at builds custom e-commerce solutions. In his 5 years with this company, Dima has worked on an e-commerce project for a fashion company, a beverages company, and a food delivery client. All these are completely different industries, but Dima's knowledge of e-commerce solutions, coupled with his ability to quickly dive into new industries and his great BA skills, made him successful in his job. So in Dima's case, knowledge of the e-commerce solution domain is a must, but industry knowledge is nice to have. And finally, let's see if BA consultants need to have domain knowledge. Now, who is a BA consultant? Usually it's a very senior BA, either self-employed, working as an independent consultant, or working for a consulting company and handling special projects for top selected clients. Very often, successful BA consultants have some kind of specialization. It's either in the solution domain, or in a specific tool, or in the business industry, or all of these. For example, you may be a BA consultant that specializes in B2B commerce implementations on SAP Commerce Cloud for large fashion companies. Or you may be specializing in patient portals for clinical trials, which is a very specific and highly regulated domain. My point is, some kind of a specialization is a must for BA consultants, and therefore we can say that business or solution domain knowledge is also a must. And here's another example. Chen has spent 20 years in the automotive industry, where he took numerous jobs from the service technician and sales manager to the regional manager in a car dealership. He has recently joined a large consulting firm as a consultant director in the automotive sector. His job is to lead digital transformation projects to implement ERP solutions for automotive clients. His deep knowledge of the industry trends, first-hand knowledge of real-world use cases and workflows make him a true industry expert. This allows him to build trust with his clients and also be seen as an SME among his teammates. For Chen, his deep knowledge of the industry and related technology products is a must to be successful in his consulting job. Hey, to help you get even more advanced with consulting scenarios and business analysis, I've created a series of video lectures on requirements discovery and related consulting topics. Go to BACareermentor.com/discovery and sign up today. It's absolutely free and you'll receive dedicated video lectures in your inbox. Again, it's BACareermentor.com/discovery. I'll see you there. So now, as we've looked at various examples and types of BA jobs, I hope it makes more sense as to whether you need to have domain knowledge to succeed in your career journey. My strong opinion is that, especially in the current very competitive job market, domain knowledge is very much needed to be a successful BA. Why? Because companies more often look for BAs that have some knowledge of the industry or solutions, so that these BAs require less time for onboarding and diving into a new domain. These BAs already know the working terminology and certain real-world use cases, which makes it much easier for clients to communicate with them. So what are your thoughts on domain knowledge for BAs? Share your comments below, and if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. This way, more professionals will be able to discover it. Thank you for sticking around. My name is Sergey Shimansky. Have a great day.